All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Thanks so much for subscribing to this channel. Our prayer has been that the good Lord will continue to support you all in all your endeavors as you keep supporting this channel. Amen. All right, my people, this is another one reaching us. Well, I think this is a very great news coming to us right now as the Olubadan of Ibadan, the new Olubadan, onto this one advise all Yoruba nation agitators to keep calm on the agitation for Odua nation. I think this is a great one. All right, with the news reaching us, it says Olubadan to Yoruba nation agitators, don't be tired. All right, well, Ibadan, the Olubadan of Ibadan land, Oba Lekan Balogun Ali Okomade second yesterday charged Yoruba groups agitating for self-determination not to be weary or tired of the struggle until it is achieved. Well, a lot of people are happy with this statement, and I think it's a very great statement coming from the Olubadan. Majority of people never expected this from the Olubadan of Ibadan simply because no most of the monarchs we have in Yoruba land, I'm not sure there is anyone that had come out in this manner to advise the Ojibwa nation agitators on these aspects of not being weary, that they should keep forward on it. And another thing is that the majority of these monarchs, the majority of the leaders, have not seen a time or when the monarch come out to say Yoruba nation must be achieved. Well, this one is another great one. To one of the groups, Atayeshe, led by Tokumbo Ajase in his Alariri residence in Ibadan. Obabalogun, who acknowledged the various challenges confronting the people, noted that the situation could weigh down the activities. Well, and then he said, tough times never last, only tough people do. There's nothing too much to be done to ensure that one's goal is achieved, and then I promise you my support for the attainment of your cherished goal. All right, my people. Earlier, Mr. Gbenga Awoshode, who spoke on behalf of the group, said it came to plead with the monarch to use his rich experience to forge unity among his colleagues Oba in Yoruba land. All right, and then onto this, he has said, Kabiesi, we want the unity of purpose among Yoruba Obas, and we want you to do your bit in that regard. This is the time for our revered fathers to speak with one voice, one issues that touch our common interest, and then with your esteemed pedigree, this is achieved. All right, my people, and then this is exactly what it is right now. I think this is a very great one coming from the Olubadan of Ibadan, and then he said something that actually baffled me. I'm so surprised to hear that, which says he is in full support of the movement at one, and then as it stands, the majority of people are still surprised that the monarch can come out in this form, because you can't blame these people. A majority of the monarch we have in Yoruba land, I think this is the only monarch, the only hobber that is coming out and telling it out the way it's supposed to be. And then according to Usman Razak Olalekan, said, well, if this is true direct message from Olubadan, then it means it's going to be a help for his race against the politicians who don't care about their race. Well, God bless you for your words of encouragement. You are not a coward like others. Yeah, just like I said earlier, meaning other obas are cowards. And then I tell you, this is a very great one coming from the Olubadan. Well, majority of people never expected it. According to that, my friend, you say, I never expected it. All right, so king say, well, saboteurs won't want such demand to be achieved easily, just as Soludo is crucifying his people for selfish interest. Well, exactly what I want to be hearing. All right, this one is coming from Adewale Raphael Adako. Well, good day, everyone in Nigeria and then outside of the country. Okay, well, someone is of the opinion that I am greeting you people for this good news I just heard so far. Oh, that's serious. Well, God bless you, sir. These are the kind of leaders, the kind of elders we need in this critical moment of our lives in this expired European experiment. All right, my people, majority of things are actually being said. Well, like I said earlier, nobody expected this, and then it is actually coming from the Olubadan of Ibadan. And this time around, this is a kind of push for every other leader who had not supported the movement. I don't know why a lot of people don't even understand what this movement is all about, and I don't know, maybe it's because of the selfish gain. That's why majority of the leaders till now are not even in support of it. Well, someone said that not that they are not in support, but because of the small allocation where they say them they get from the federal government, now it make them come be like say them no they support the movement. All right, well, a lot of people have been of the opinion that why is it that they are scared to support a good thing. That's exactly what some set of people have said so far. Well, my people, the Dual Nation are going back. Exactly what the people are talking about. Jubilations everywhere. When my people come to think of it, what the Olubadan had just done, my people, I will tell you, this is a beginning of a better people. This is a beginning of a better nation, and this is a beginning of a better togetherness. Well, if somebody like the monarch, the new Olubadan, could say, okay, he is supporting the Odudua nation, the Yoruba nation, then what else? What else are we now talking about? And because with this man, with this man, a lot of the monarchs outside there who are yet to support this movement, they will wake up, they will now understand that, oh, it is very, very possible to support Odudua nation. Well, and then as it stands right now, my prayer has been that in no time, this would be actualized, and exactly what it is, in no time it would be actualized. For the people who had been of the opinion that forget about the Odudua Nation movement, if you check out what is happening in the election coming, or in the homecoming election right now, you will understand that the prayers of the people are now being answered. Talking about the prayers of the Odudua Nation agitators. All right, my people, what more can we say onto this one? I will say a very big congratulations to the Odudua Nation agitators onto this one. All right, my people, meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. All right, thanks and God bless.